गुड इवनिंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स। सो आज का लेक्चर हम क्लास नाइन्थ के बच्चों के लिए रख रहे हैं। हमारे पास दो फिजिकल क्वांटिटी होती है। काइनेटिक एनर्जी एंड लिनियर मोमेंटम। इन दोनों को आप कैसे रिलेट कर सकते हैं? सो आज ये एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। काइनेटिक एनर्जी का फॉर्मूला आपको पता है, दैट इज सिंपली हाफ एम वी स्क्वायर। एम मास ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, वी वेलोसिटी विद विच द ऑब्जेक्ट इज मूविंग। लीनियर मोमेंटम का फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मास एंड वेलोसिटी। Now, if in the expression for kinetic energy, we multiply by mass and divide by mass, then mathematical expression remains the same. If I simplify it, I will be getting m square v square over m. You can take 2m from denominator to the left hand side. Now this will become 2me, where E stands for kinetic energy. That is equal to m square v square. You can simplify more. 2m kinetic energy is equals mv whole square. But see here, m and v, when they are multiplied, it become p. So it is p square basically, or you can say p is square the root 2m kinetic energy. Now this is the mathematical relation. Now how can you use this relation to some numericals? Let's see. Now the question is, we are having basically two objects. One is light object and second one is heavy object, and they are moving with same kinetic energy. Then if I ask whose linear momentum is more, so you can say whose linear momentum is more. This can be asked. Whose linear momentum is less? This can be also asked. So how can you use this formula? Light object, heavy object. So you can say if they are having same kinetic energy, so linear momentum of light object will be square root of 2ml kinetic energy, because kinetic energy is same. So you need not to write something else. Linear momentum of heavy object, that will be 2mh over kinetic energy. And if I divide these two, and if I simplify, linear momentum of light object root 2 times root ml root kinetic energy root 2 times mass of heavy object, kinetic energy is same. So basically these terms will cancel out. So what we gonna left with? linear momentum of light, linear momentum of heavy, that will be equal to square root ml mh. Now, if I take some numerical values, for example, I can say the light object mass is 1 kg, heavy object mass is, you can say, 4 kg. And if I simplify this one, then PL over PH will be square root 1 over 4. Now you can simplify it. So what you can get? Linear momentum of light, linear momentum of heavy. That will be square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 will be 2. So linear momentum of light object will be half times linear momentum of heavy, or you can say linear momentum of heavy is 2 times linear momentum of light. So this expression will help you that linear momentum of light body will be less and linear momentum of heavy object will be more. So this is how you can use the equations. Now one more change can be made. Again we are having the same light object as well as heavy object, but this time linear momentum is same. And now you have to tell which object is having more kinetic energy and which object is having less kinetic energy. So try to solve this numerical using the same concept, that is P square is equal to 2m into kinetic energy, and put the answer in the comment section. And if you like the video, you can share with your friends because sharing is learning. Thank you so much.